Euroseal Infinity is a natural step up from the 2001 Plus, maintaining and building on the strengths of its predecessor. Compact, versatile, and robust, it is the machine designed to last forever. It adapts perfectly to every dental practice and procedure. Thanks to its compact size, it can be mounted on a worktop or vertically, fixed to the wall with the optional wall kit. The new sealing lever and integrated cutter system make the sealing and cutting process even easier and more effective. With the new cutter, it is now much easier to change the blade yourself. In addition, the sliding roller positioned in the lower configuration makes roll replacement even faster. Those who choose Euroseal Infinity know that they can count on the reliability of Euronda's construction. Euroseal Infinity is designed to combine maximum ergonomics with unrivaled longevity. The smooth surfaces also allow for effective cleaning. Looking for a compact, versatile, and reliable sealer? The Infinity is the answer to your needs.